Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Today we will speak about Google Pixel 5a 5G review. The Google Pixel 5a is the third iteration of Google's Pixel A series smartphones. Based on the Google Pixel experience made with lower cost entry points in mind. There's also now more emphasis on battery life and water resistance. The latter is a welcome feature to the A Pixel family. The phone is very similar to the Pixel 4a 5G in size, appearance, and specs. They aren't identical, but pretty darn close. The battery capacity is significantly better, about 15% more capacity than the Pixel 4a 5G. The phone's construction is now made of a sturdier aluminum and resin interbody construction like the Pixel 5. The new build is also IP67 water resistant. The Google Pixel's cameras are of the biggest selling points for the Pixel phones. But you'll soon learn that its hardware is exactly the same as the 4a 5G and the Pixel 5 S, verbatim. We don't anticipate there to be any significant difference in camera quality. Performance is also predictably decent on the Snapdragon 765G paired with 6GB of RAM. The Pixel 5a is the most expensive A series ever at $449, but will the improvements to the hardware retain their value in the long term? Is the Pixel 5a a solid entry into the Pixel family? Let's start answering that by opening the box first and see what's inside. Unboxing the phone. The packaging is similar to what we've seen from Google for years. The box shows a photo of the Pixel 5a's actual size and the phone lays face down when you pull the lid off. Under the plastic-wrapped Pixel 5a you'll find a USB-C to C charging cable, an 18W USB-C charger, and a USB-C to USB adapter which Google calls its Quick Switch adapter. This lets you transfer data from another phone to the Pixel 5a. The Google Pixel 5a sports a 6.34 OLED screen with a traditional 60Hz refresh rate. This display has a resolution of 1080x2400px, coming out to about 413p. Support for HDR video is nice to have on this bright and vivid screen. The OLED panel is protected by Gorilla Glass 3. The Google Pixel 5a has a 4680 mAh battery, which pairs nicely with the power-efficient Snapdragon 765G. The Pixel 5a reached a 42% charge in 30 minutes and 75% after 1 hour. A full charge was finally achieved about 1h40 m after plugging in. The Pixel 5a comes preloaded with Android 11, but will soon be updated to Android 12. One of Pixel's unique features is Google's powerful audio recording app. This comes preloaded onto the Google Pixel and transcribes audio directly into text, even without an internet connection. It consists of a 12.2 MP1/2.55 main camera sensor with f/1.7 aperture, OIS, and dual pixel phase detection autofocus and 1.4 microsync pixels. The second shooter is a 16 MP 119 degrees ultra-wide with f/2.2 aperture and 1.0 microsync sized pixels. The front camera outputs 8 MP images, and the sensor sits behind an f/2.0 aperture lens.